Eddie and I are going out to a little potluck event in a few minutes, and it's about hour from the house, and it's like a real casual deal. So I'm bringing some cookies, and I'm also bringing a real simple bean dip that I like to make. I'll be serving it with celery and some crackers. It's really easy to make. It packs real well, and it travels real well. So let me show you how it's done. Here are the ingredients. A can of cannellini beans, and I've already taken them out of the can, put them in the strainer and rinse them. I rinse all my canned beans. Just real simple, whatever cannellini beans you can find. Also some olive oil, some rosemary, either fresh or dried, and then some garlic. I went ahead and put my cannellini beans in the food processor, and I have this clove of garlic. It's, I think, an elephant clove. It's too big. It's the only garlic I have right now. So I'm probably going to just cut it in half and throw it through the garlic press, and then put it in the food processor with the beans. After I cut it open, I realized how strong this stuff smells. So I took a quarter of a clove, and I'm going to put that through the garlic press. You can always add more, but you can't take it away. All right, I put my garlic clove in there, and I've got this little sprig of fresh rosemary, and I'm just going to use this. Again, I can always add more, but I don't want to overpower the beans. So I'm going to strip the leaves and throw them into the food processor also. Finally, sort of a drizzling of olive oil. I've never measured. I'm going to, maybe that's a couple of tablespoons. I don't know. We're going to put the lid on and do the food processing and see how thick this comes out, if we're good with it. Here we are. So far it is breaking down, but I think it needs a little more liquid to turn into that nice smooth paste we're looking for. So I'm going to throw in a little bit more of the olive oil. Again, I always prefer to start small and then add as you go. So, you know, probably by the time this is done, I will have put in about a quarter of a cup. And we'll try it again. Well, it came out a nice creamy thick paste, so it does need a little bit of a little flavor boost. So I'm going to add some salt, just sprinkle some salt in there. Again, the amount depends on you. I find the amount of garlic that I put in there and rosemary was just right. So there we go. Do one more turnaround with the food processor, and we'll give it a final try. Here it is. I always like to take the blade out and do kind of a quick turn with the spoon in case any ingredients got stuck at the bottom. Nice, it's delicious, and it's ready to package up for our event. And here we are, good to go. I put it in a container that has a lid, and I pressed a rosemary sprig in there for color, and we're ready. I just need to cut up the celery and get some crackers, arrange those on a platter with this in the middle, and we've got a really great appetizer that also travels well.